kayisa nnyo buli alinawo gy'agenda gyakulembeza emiwendo gy'ebintu bagirinyisa abamaduuka n'obutale lwe bavuganya
ngabayise ku nguudo bayisingana let me just put my dancing shoe to celebrate omulokozi atuzaliddwa
minusi byame kino bwe bayogerako eri bakulu baffe abedda yazaliddwa ate mukulu so Merry Christmas, a Happy New Year.
Put on your dancing shoes. Christmas is right here at the door. We are celebrating. Omulokozi atuzaliddwa, Merry Christmas. Put on your dancing shoes. Christmas is right here at the door. We are celebrating. Omulokozi atuzaliddwa.
Ngenda mukyalo wa mama ninze nenkoko yenjitute ne Christmas tree batitimbye dda
evumbe linyoke mu kanisa gye tukeera bapatana tujoge as I put on my dancing shoes.
We got a reason to celebrate kuba mulokozi atuzaliddwa Gano mawulire malungi gasanyu kuba omununuzi atuweereddwa Put on your dancing shoes I say your dancing shoes I wish a kingdom Christmas and a happy new year
Bwe kati manya luno olunaku lukulu olwa Ssekukkulu tujaguza abato n'abakulu Put on your dancing shoes, dancing shoes. Put on your dancing shoes for Christmas. Put on your dancing shoes, dancing shoes. Danny wins the Kingdom Media, this is how we do it.
Thank you very much.
Kingdom Media wano yawamba. Kingdom Media wano yawamba.
Hello.
Bakukimanya sabo mugambe tiyeriko
Program zayo nungi ziyigiriza tombo wanze kuliserero tosobola fokasisa pawamu ne lanchawa Bishop Kiganda ku lutimbe kwali Kingdom Media wano yawamba ekola byebiruma balyaye
Naguno mwaka nagu Kingdom empanga yiyo kale
One by one makes a bundle Kingdom was a baby, now we're counting plenty For those who are talking, they are feeling guilty Cause the picture Kingdom paints make Uganda's beauty
Kingdom TV Uganda's beauty The views in plenty It's the only one for everyone A Kingdom TV Uganda's beauty The views in plenty It's the only one for everyone
Nambira baganda bangeyo Kingdom Media wano yawamba Mukibuga n'embyalo KTV gitulaba Kingdom Radio 93 fama tuwuliriza Atannaba kukimanya sabo mugambe nti yeriko
Kuno kusiima eri abatandisi kitufu mwayiya Bishop Dr. mukwano gw'abangi Amba Daudi Kiganda Wamune kalipewe Dr. Cindy Kiganda Kwebale Kingdom Media wanejunye gwanga Ngamba yeriko
Langa na fe mwana wa mama otifunamu Bamu byokukwebera olyeyo bakukwebeza abalala bakuyitako Radio yo wakabaka evuga mu bakabaka esinga era okutuuka ewala tulina bye weetaaga n'ababyetaaga bolanga naffe tukutuusa wala abaana bavubuka sako n'abakadde mbakugamba weerabire ebikadde Kingdom Media yeriko simanyi gwe byoliko wane Uganda yawamba kale
Kwano Kingdom Pessanyu, remember never say. Oh, ombuze naku. Pessanyu yange, kingdom kufinga. Kingdom, Pessanyu yange.
Nambira baganda bangeyo. Kingdom media wano ya wamba. Uchibuga nembyalo. KTV tulaba. Kingdom Radio 93 from Tuliriza. Atanda bakuchimanya sabo mugambe nti yeriko.
Gona yas. Tukubire ko mungalo ne baba tokiwulira kale. Ne baba tokiwulira wekake. Nambe chimala ekwanga lyonna limanye. Kingdom Media wesajja kudde the station that started years down the road. Yesinga kuganja among the others.
This is where you have to know the teams all are out there. We rock a TBT on KTV on every Saturday. Entertainment news, we give you movie days, fashion and designing. We're making sure that we blaze you up with KTV to catch up with our trend.
Listen up.
Yatu Napolina on KTV every Saturday. Yatu Nasara Polina on KTV every Saturday. Kingdom Media wano ya wamba. Yatu Napolina on KTV every Saturday. Yatu Nasara Polina on KTV every Saturday. Kingdom Media wano ya wamba.
Border to border, Kingdom border to border. Buli wamwe ulira ketivela bibwate sosola mbantu. Nambira baganda bangeyo. Kingdom Media wano ya wamba. Uchibuga nembyalo. Kingdom Radio 93 fama tuliriza. Atanda bakuchimanya sabo mugambe nti yeriko.
Okitegedde.